Hello, in this video we will see how to change default video player in Mac. This is for MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac and Mac Mini. So I have folder here video and I have two videos here. If I click on to start the video, by default it starts in the quick media player, you can see here. If you want to change the video player, right click on this and click on the get info. In the get info you need to select another video player which is VLC and select that one, and this will be changed only for this video. But if you want to change for all the videos, then you need to select change all. I will show you only by changing for this video. So if I open now this video, it is opening in the VLC player. If you see, if I open this video, it is still opening into the QuickTime player. So if I close this one and if I change this one as well to by clicking on get info and change this one to the VLC and change for all. So it will ask you, do you really want to change for all? And then you just need to click on continue button. Now if I open the video, it is opening now in VLC, and if I want to open the first video as well, it is also opening in VLC. So in this way you can change the default media player for any video in Mac. If you find the video helpful, please like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.